niggas mad as fuck. I got 8 kids, nigga, 4 sons and 4 daughters. I go in and I don't lose. I'm in that bag, chasing that cat. I'm back in.
Nigga, one of the slides. I gotta be prepared. I see these slides. They finna go on one. Y'all going? They going up, y'all. Oh shit. Lazy River. Y'all gonna be scared? Which one y'all going on?
That one right there. Titan and we already went up there. They
Y'all going on? The yellow one? Which one y'all going on?
The other one, the blue one.
The dark blue? They going. Yeah, when they come out, we gonna see them come out this slide, y'all. We gonna see them come out. This slide they coming out on, y'all. Let's see. Let's see which one they're coming out on. Oh, they came out over there. They came out on that side. You scared a little bit? You done been here a couple times, so you ought not to be scared. Was y'all scared of? It was alright? The orange one? You scared? The other one got a little drop. You gonna be scared. You gonna be scared. You get wet yet? What you scared of? You gonna ride this one? Going down, y'all. Y'all pay for my own. We can sit like we did. Spot my kids. Y'all spot my children. That's one. That's two. Call them orange circles. That's a whole pool full of. That's the toilet. Look, swallow them. The toilet bowl.
Yeah, Marco!
Mess the slide up.
Just go around.
Don't get them. They them little.
Just till I sit down.
That water burning. Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Oh, damn, scared. We done got stuck. Basically, oh well, that's a hard. I'm gonna get on some more rides in a second. To let my phone cool off. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. That's gonna be a short video.
Speak
I'm tired.
up.
I'm gonna show y'all a few cars right here, man. It's a nice little whip. E-Class. I like the S-Class. If you personally, the S550 is my favorite. But that boy had a little nice little push to it. Give y'all a little quick inside tour while waiting on everybody. Yeah, it's a nice little luxury. You know, I like the gas pedals are different. They push from the top. Push from the top instead of down here. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Last, I compare these to little BMWs. But hell yeah, I need that 3, goddamn. I need that 3, goddamn. Need them 3 tires. I need one more, I'm good. Yeah, this hoe here nice. Yeah, you guys, this car feel like a BMW.
Turn past these lights, then at the next set, turn right.
Whatever the name of this car, y'all see it. Alfa Romeo. Whatever it is, it must feel like a BMW. Look at the little knobs. D, N, and A. DNA. Yeah, that boy got some a little too. I'm gonna show y'all when I get on this freeway though. I'm gonna be a short video too, because it's the end of the week. Shit. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Be safe. Let's see what this brother do. Yo, feel like a BMW, y'all. Oh, you that whistle? It's quick, but it ain't like that Beamer. Perhaps they got a bigger version like this one, but feel like a video game, y'all. Yeah, but it's tight on the road though. Oh, whistle. Oh, whistle. Man, at the windows up. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is the whole view of the car. I think I showed y'all already. But yeah, it's gonna be a short video. I think I got like one more car to do today. Yeah, they fucking up over there. They don't know what they're doing. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, my guys and girls. Get me back up to 2,000 subscribers. I need them 4,000 watch hours, y'all. Trying to get monetized. Help me out. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all Suave Harris. But let me get back with y'all. Got friends in my work. This car, like I say, we don't always get good cars. This one's kind of, I don't call it raggedy, but it's an Altima, it's a 2-door. You see how dirty it is up here? But still gonna transport it. I need some money, you feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's gonna be a short video. It's the end of the week. And I'll see y'all Sunday. I have a surprise, so y'all stay tuned Sunday. It will be recorded Sunday, but it will be uploaded either Sunday night or early morning Monday. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and be prepared for the epic video. That's it for today's video. I'm done, I'm tired. And that's where I drove. Got a little new song right there. It's pretty fast though, but I'm gonna go home for some crab legs and some Chinese noodles. Let's y'all like, comment, subscribe.